So my name is Jason Robinson and I'm Coordinator Open Spaces. I started my apprenticeship in 1990, an apprentice gardener. Council had its own nursery then, so I was fortunate enough to be able to work in a nursery for a couple of years. So my current role, I'm a coordinator, so I oversee several areas, those being the cemeteries, all our open area mowing and grass cutting. I look after the townships of the horticultural maintenance of townships of Braidwood and Bungendore and all the surrounding villages, including Captain's Flat. I look after all their hazard reduction stuff, and I support a lot of the other crews within urban landscapes with their machinery needs. So the reason I go to bed every morning is because of my team. So they're not really my team, they're my mates. It's always been that way my whole time at council. Probably why I never really wanted to leave is because it's an ongoing friendship. Even people who have left, I still remain friends. So it's almost like a big family. I love being part of it.
Hi, I'm Jackie and Jason Robinson is our program coordinator for Jarrah Crew. We're a disability crew for QPRC. Jason's a great boss. He's always available whenever we need him. He's super supportive of our crew. He also comes out and does training with Jarrah Crew. He's just phenomenal. He's a fantastic boss. You couldn't ask for a better boss.
I second that notion.
So I still get to do a lot of stuff with mowing, whipper-snipping, irrigation repairs and things. A lot of people don't know, think that I'm a quarter, I don't actually do that, but I still get involved, which is awesome. So I still get that touch of what the staff are going through, and they really appreciate that I do that. Because there is such good flexibility within the organisation, my two kids went to school in Queanbeyan, so I got to go to so many events such as school presentations and dances and things. And that's the beauty of this organisation, is they do have that family first kind of mentality. So that has been really, really important to both me, myself, my wife and my two kids, that I have been able to do that, because a lot of places they don't have that flexibility, it's quite rigid. But I do like that we can do that here. So I got to be a dad as well as being a council employee. So starting from an apprentice to being a coordinator, although it wasn't what I thought I'd ever be when I was an apprentice, but I've never forgotten where I come from. So I really appreciate giving back to those below me, and seeing the new generation of staff coming through is very exciting. So if you want to succeed in council, council will support you. So if you put in a bit of hard work, they recognise that and they'll give you opportunities.